Kimballton. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southwestern Harrison County in east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio until 9:15 p.m. At 8:48 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Kimballton and was moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Kimballton, Birmingham, Salt Fork State Park, Old Washington, Londonderry. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.